Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be a super quick 15-minute get ready with me hair and makeup, and it's going to be really quick, and we're just going to zoom past everything. And it's super great for someone who wants to look a little bit more put together but doesn't have like an hour to get ready in the morning. So this is great for you guys, moms, working women, school, college, when you really have to rush in the morning. This is great for those days. So yeah, let's get started. So first you want to put your hair in a ponytail, and then you want to divide your hair into 4 sections. So here I'm taking the first section, and then I'm just going to wrap my hair in the curler and then hold it for about 10 to 15 seconds. Then I'm just going to take the curler out and then just pin the curls. Then I am basically going to do the same exact thing with all the other 3 sections. And to be honest, you can do more than 3 sections if you want kind of like more tighter curls. But for me, I wanted loose curls and I wanted, the job done really quickly. So I did 4 sections only. Now that we're done with the hair, we're going to go on to the makeup. I'm going to apply concealer underneath my eyes, around my nose, and on any other blemish that I see. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to blend it with the Beauty Blender, and the concealer underneath my eyes, I'm going to blend it in a triangular shape so that it looks seamlessly blended into the rest of the face. I'm also going to take it onto my eyelid. So next I'm going to quickly fill in my eyebrows. You can use a pomade, a whisk brow, eye pencil, whatever floats your boat. I am using a pomade here. Next, I'm just going to run a spoolie through my eyebrows to make sure everything is nice and blended. Then I'm going to set the concealer with a face powder, and then after that, I'm going to use another layer of the same face powder to even out the skin tone, and I'm going to use this all over the face. All the products that I am using will be mentioned down below. Sorry for not showing you guys, but I was in a hurry. Next, I'm going to smile and apply blush on the apples of my cheek and drag it outwards. And then I'm going to apply a medium brown shade in my crease. I'm also going to take the shade underneath on the lower eyelid. Next, some eyeliner, some mascara, and then we're going to apply some lipstick. I'm using the MAC Mehr lipstick. And there you have it. The makeup is done, 15 minutes are up, and now we're just going to take the pins out and, open up our curls. I'm going to slide the ponytail out gently, at least I try to, and then I'm just going to brush my hair out, and there you have it. Beautiful curls and a no makeup look, all in 15 minutes. Okay guys, so that was it for this video. This was a really quick, easy way to get your hair and your makeup done in 15 minutes. Also, this hair trick, this putting your hair in a ponytail and then curling it hair trick, I actually picked up from Kaushal many years ago. Kaushal Beauty. I talk of her as if she's a friend, but Kaushal Beauty here on YouTube. I saw her video many years ago, and I really like this technique, and I've been using it. I hope you guys liked this video. I hope this was helpful and that you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.